Happy New Year, Wealth Builders, and welcome to the first Rise to Riches podcast. Today, we're going to chat about portfolio rebalancing. First and foremost, I hope you enjoyed the holiday season and you're ready for 2024. I'm not sure the same can be said about Wall Street, which clearly woke up on the wrong side of the bed last week. Stocks were overbought, i.e. overvalued, after a 9-week run last year. So last week started what's called a pullback. Investors started taking profits, especially in the new year, versus claiming additional income for 2023. I expect by the end of January, the stock market will start to regain its momentum and climb higher, especially if interest rate cuts are on the horizon. For wealth builders, stock market weakness should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Last week's dip was caused by investors adjusting their portfolios after a whopping 24% increase last year. Investors use portfolio rebalancing to prevent being exposed to undesirable risks or holding stocks that are not going to help them. By periodically rebalancing your portfolio, investors can ensure they hold stocks that match their risk tolerance. However, this strategy calls for selling stocks that have overperformed in order to buy more hidden gems, i.e. undervalued stocks that will propel your portfolio forward. Portfolio rebalancing essentially builds the buy low, sell high mantra into your investing process automatically. In my opinion, this is exactly what wealth builders should do. There are multiple ways to rebalance your portfolio. 1. Move money within your portfolio by selling stocks in the green in order to buy assets below the target threshold. It's important to note that if you're invested in a taxable account, selling investments that have gained value will incur taxes or may incur taxes on your capital gain. If you want to avoid taxes, only rebalance within your tax-advantaged account, traditional or Roth IRA. Number 2, if you earn income, i.e. still working, you could shift some savings into your account to capitalize on buying opportunities that may appear later down the road. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. That's our mantra. So set yourself up for continued success so you can prosper in the long run. The simplest portfolio I recommend is calendar rebalancing. This means analyzing your portfolio quarterly, every 6 months, or annually. Of course, it may vary based on the individual or depending on the year. If you wind up buying too many stocks, i.e. more than 12 to 15, it's a good idea to consolidate your portfolio. This is best to maximize your returns. As wealth builders, we don't want to leave anything to chance, and you don't want to thin your profits out. So that's portfolio rebalancing in a nutshell. And as we wrap up this first episode of Rise to Riches, remember, your dreams are the blueprint for your success. And as your rise, I hope your rise goes from ordinary to extraordinary. Peace and blessings. Until next time.